Hey guys, welcome to another video of Teckreview. In today's video, we will be taking a look at the all-new Redmi K40, which was launched a few days back in China. Stay tuned till the end to know more about all the interesting features and about Redmi's K40 mobile series. Please do hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of the videos from Teckreview. Let's jump into the details. K40 models. Redmi has launched three K40 models, the regular K40, K40 Pro and the K40 Pro Plus flagship model. These phones are direct successors to the K30 and the K30 Pro smartphones. For the K40s, let me make it quick for you guys. All the phones have the same battery, same screen size, they look the same and have similar dimensions. However, the two main things that change between all these models are the chipset and the camera. The K40 gets an 870 Snapdragon chip, which is technically an overclocked 865, while the two bigger brothers get the Snapdragon 888 chip. Speaking about the cameras, the K40 gets a 48 megapixel camera, the K40 Pro gets a 68 megapixel camera, and the best of the three, the K40 Pro Plus, gets a bold 108 megapixel camera. The Poco relationship. Ever since Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi made the K40 series official in China last week, we've been hearing rumors that one or more of its members would be released in the global markets under the Poco brand. Now, this phone has also been certified by the US FCC and the mystery has been cleared up. The Poco F3 will be the Redmi K40 for global markets. This makes us think that there will also be a Poco F3 Pro, which would be either a rebranded K40 Pro or the K40 Pro Plus, but there's not much information on that one yet. Exterior and looks. The new Redmi K40 series phone is just 7.8mm thick and weighs only 196 grams. Coming from the front, there is a large 6.67-inch screen on all the models, with the smallest ever hole-punch camera in the center of the screen ever seen on a smartphone. Moving over to the side and the edges, the corners are very round and smooth. It is nice and easy to hold, it's ergonomic with the fingerprint scanner on the side, however this could get tricky while using a large phone case. Finally, on the back, the phone has an oval-shaped camera panel that has multiple lenses arranged in a neat order. Battery and charging. This device packs in a 4520 mAh battery with support for 33-watt fast charging, claimed to take just 52 minutes for a full charge via the Type-C port, and despite all rumors, yes, the budget brand does still offer a charging block compared to all the other #environmental friendly brands that don't. Camera. You are looking at a triple setup with a 48 megapixel Sony IMX582 main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5 megapixel macro shooter with a 50mm focal length. Selfies in the smartphone are handled by a 20 megapixel punch hole camera. With Redmi's software processing, the quality is expected to be better than the previous K30 series. Moreover, the camera features digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus, continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, and exposure compensation and an ISO control. Screen. The Redmi K40 has a 6.67-inch E4 AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 360Hz response rate. It has a peak brightness of 1300 nits, supports HDR10+, and is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The screen also has a centrally mounted punch hole for the front camera, but it is extremely tiny and does not cause any obstruction. However, Redmi has skipped over the on-screen fingerprint scanner and moved it to the side. Performance. Redmi K40 series comes with a brand new flagship level processor, the Snapdragon 888, the first K-series smartphone with a Snapdragon 8 series flagship platform. The 8-core chipset boasts its processing technology, delivering a 3.2 GHz maximum frequency for outstanding peak performance. Equipped with a powerful Adreno 650 GPU graphics processor, the device seamlessly runs all mainstream games currently on the market. Price. The cost for the Redmi K40 starts from 2000 Chinese yuan, that is 22,000 Indian rupees, and $300 in the US market. The top-end K40 Pro Plus costs 3,700 Chinese yuan, which is 41,000 Indian rupees and $570. This is still in the budget range compared to the other flagship phones for the features and price they are available at. Verdict: Xiaomi Redmi K40 turns out to be an attractive mid-range offering from the brand due to its feature-packed spec sheet. The entire camera module loaded within the smartphone sets it apart from the others available within the same price range. Expected to be launched in India around May 2021 as Poco F3, one can hope lots of demand for this cool smartphone. So that's it. Let us know what you think about this phone in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up, and if you love our content, please do subscribe to our channel to receive all the latest tech updates from the tech world. Thanks for watching.